How to enable biometrics in HFM account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to enable the biometrics so that you can log in faster and safer on HFM, then the first thing to do is to launch open HFM application on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're inside the home page of HFM, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Security Settings. On the next page, go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Face ID or Biometrics, and then you'll be able to enable Biometrics or Face ID option. You may be able to see the Face ID option, Biometrics, or fingerprint depending upon your device. Since I'm using iOS, I'm seeing this Face ID option, which you should turn on. After you open up the application, you'll be able to see this pop up. Click on Allow in order to scan your Face ID. And from now on, your application will ask you to scan your Face ID whenever you try to open up the application. So there you have it. That is how you can easily turn on the biometrics. Now your HFM account is quicker and safer to access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.